हाय गाइस, चलिए शुरू करेंगे अपना सेकंड प्रॉब्लम. यूजिंग दिस रेशियोज वी नीड टू कंफर्म वेदर द गिवन पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस आर intersecting or coincident or parallel. So instead of heating your brain, let us quickly jump into the discussion of the problem. Then you can automatically understand what is the benefits of this table. Okay, right. Now, if you look at this question, they are asking us to compare these equations using these values, and then we need to confirm whether these linear equations are intersecting lines, or parallel lines, or coincident lines. That is what we need to confirm. So, here when you take these equations and compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 to this first equation, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 to the second equation, then you can write values like here. In place of a1 you have 5 here in the first equation, means what is 5? 5 is the coefficient of x. Similarly, in place of b1 we have minus 4. Again, what is 4 minus 4? It is the coefficient of y. And c1 value we have 8. And let us compare this second equation with this equation. Then you can write a2, b2, c2 values. Now we need to take ratios of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Let us take and substitute these values. In place of a1 and a2 we have substituted a1 value and a2 value. Similarly, in place of b1, b2 we have substituted b1, b2 values, and then c1, c2 values. Now we need to simplify it. For 5 and 7 there is no any common factor, so we have no option to simplify. And whereas minus 4 by 6 have common factor, what is that? 2. 2 can divide both numerator and denominator. So we can simplify, and after that we can write minus 2 by 3. Similarly, for 8 and minus 9 there is no any common factor. So finally this is the result after simplification. Now what is our duty? We have to compare a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. If you look here on the screen, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then what happens? See here. From the above comparisons we can observe that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then what is the solution? See here. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the given pair of linear equations are intersecting lines. See, this is how they will intersect. So that is the conclusion of this question. What is that? Therefore, the given pair of linear lines are intersecting lines. Hope you got good clarity on the question which we have discussed.